begin, guys? I'm a corporate babe now, and some of you may be wondering, like, okay, so what does that mean? But did you know some people work past 2 p.m? Yeah. And did you also know some people don't work with background music, as in your thoughts have to generate themselves, hence corporate babe? I know, crazy. But anyway, we're gonna be looking at a week in my life, or should I say not so usual week, while I'm staying at the Bulma Hotel in Nairobi. Straight off the bat, I'm gonna give you a room tour and my brief comment on it. Honestly, nothing to call home about, but we won't really get into that. And as for why I'm in Kenya, I'm here for a workshop in Nairobi, which they've termed Writeshop, and I was one of the 2 representatives from my place of work who were chosen to attend. We're about 14 other people who have a knack for writing, and generally by the end of it, we're guided on how to write publishable articles. Okay, so before we'd start any day, time check, 8 a.m, would have breakfast. So the meals were fully catered for. That's breakfast, break, lunch, dinner, and guys, one thing I can say they did, they fed us. Like, Bulma Hotel, just see these little vids. Like, look at that little juice. Bulma Hotel, I'll give them that. And also, can you please not underestimate how a big breakfast can actually change the trajectory of your day? Like, not once did I feel hunger or anything. I was overfed. Okay, so little fit check. Look at me, looking cute. Warning, we don't always wear these kind of things for work. But anyways, so next in the program, we'd get into the workshop. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend about workshops like, oh my gosh, this information you've given me for 8 hours non-stop has changed my life. Like, no, let's be real, I'm not gonna do that. But this workshop was different. Also, so people who write, I'm sure you've experienced writer's block before, or just like sometimes writing can get super monotonous, especially if it's something you do repetitively. But these facilitators, shout out to them, carried out this workshop, chef's kiss. Like, it felt like a safe space to generate thoughts and ideas. And they had this little thing, oh, that's me, yeah, look at me go. Anyways, they had this thing where it was called an incubation station, which had all sorts of knickknacks to help us with our writing. And yeah, look at the little giraffe I drew when I was trying to, generate ideas. Okay, so outside of the workshops in the evenings, a couple of us would normally go for walks, and I feel like when I travel, I like structure. Sorry, friends, if you travel with me, just know we're gonna do everything on the itinerary. But because of the circumstances of the trip, it was a work trip, I didn't feel the need to overly plan, so we instead just did spontaneous things. One evening in particular, everybody say hi Lisa, we went to Two Rivers Mall with the intention to watch a movie, but honestly, we couldn't be asked, we're too tired. So we instead went on the Ferris wheel. Fun fact, it's Africa's biggest Ferris wheel, stands at 60 meters high. Don't quote me on this. And yeah, see how scared I was. Honestly, just don't look down, then you'll be fine. But yeah, it was really cool. Look how high it was. And after that, we went to Art Cafe, and gosh, when is it coming to Uganda, please? I had the spicy wings and chips, and Lisa had the pesto pasta. For the last night, we went to this restaurant based off purely how their Instagram looked. So yeah.
Uko na weekendi?
Njema. So that's it, a week in my unusual life as a corporate babe. And if you guys want to see more of this like corporate babe series, a little bit of sorority and hormone here and there, let me know. Maybe this could be a series. Anyways, thanks for watching.